Okay, Clockotron updates. There's a few new features in Clockotron. The first is a count up feature with an overtime. So if you just want to count straight up, you can toggle to up, start the timer. And if you want an overtime or a negative timer, you can click this up after down button. So this will count down to 0. And then count back up. Okay, the second feature is triggers. So to demo that, let me show you what I got here in Vmix. This first input is a text input. We'll go ahead and assign our timer to that. The second input is a color. So to add a color input, you click the Add Input button, select color, choose the color from the palette here. This third input is a let's change the color here so that we can see this. This third input is a blank input that I've added 2 layers to. So this bottom layer is that color, the background, which will toggle that off for now. The second layer is that text layer. And our fourth input here is a video file. Go ahead and restart that. Okay, so let's say we want to trigger that background. Come down here and add trigger. Click the add trigger button. Triggers get triggered at a time on the up or the down or both. So we'll set this one for the down at 0 seconds. We're going to want to change our color to white. So we'll select white. And then to add the toggle, click on the drop down menu here, add type. We want toggle multi-view layer. The mode for this will be on. The input we're targeting is the timer. And the layer is 1. That's the background layer. And then let's add another trigger. Let's say on the up, at 8 seconds, we want to play that video. So click the up checkbox, unclick the down, enter 8. We want our color to stay white, so we'll click white. Type play pause. The mode will be play. The input for this will be the video. You can close that. Okay, so let's toggle to down here. Start at 5. Then at 0 seconds, that background gets toggled, the color changes, and it starts counting up. And then at 8 seconds, the video plays.